All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV, and thank you very much for joining me for another episode. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever times when you're watching this on. Would really appreciate it if you guys show some respect as well by hitting that like button. At present moment, so we are pending the squad for the Mexico Nation League game, which is a very important game, a must-win game, I would say, for indeed. So apparently, Greg Leigh is one of the players who've been called up. Let's get into the details of that. Before we do so, let's do the admin stuff. Give a shout out to our channel members. The original Zilla, Jermaine, Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Leigh Bell, Marsden Ricketts, Jamil Winter, and Rolando Cudner. And also to our two patron members, Raymond Austin and Ravon Bennett. Also give a big shout out to our sponsors at SAP Sports. People, please go and check them out on IG at their IG page, SAP Sports 4. No, well, for all the latest football gears, jerseys, Reggae Boy jerseys, everything, you can get it at SAP Sports. Now let's get into the details, people. Well, I'm not here to waste time. I won't waste any. It's going to be pretty much a short video. Really short video. Quick synopsis. So this is what's happened. Ipswich Town was set to meet Barnsley, and apparently the game has been cancelled due to the fact that they have too much absentee. This is what it said. New Barnsley date confirmed. It was slated to be Thursday, the 16th of March, 2023. No, well, this is the date. My apologies. Last night, the match, which was initially scheduled for a week on Saturday, was postponed after the Blues had three international calls. Wes Burns and Nathan Broadhead. Nathan Broadhead. Having been selected by Wales, whilst Greg Leigh is expected to be in the Jamaica national squad, and skipper Sam Morrissey was named in a preliminary list of overseas players for England. So this is actually been made official by the Ipswich Town news outlet, TWTD, as you guys know. But definitely, this is stating that we are likely to see, or we should see, Greg Leigh for the next outing against Mexico. I for one, I'm really happy to see him coming back. Unfortunately, he's not having really necessarily the best of season, but I'm excited to have him back because he's a player that I do believe can have a bit of quality. Now, you know that the left back position, now there's a lot of fight for it, and I do believe that the three left backs that we have at present moment, Amari Bell, Greg Leigh, and I do strongly believe, as I said, that Lembi Kisa can very much vibe for that spot as well. Can very much fight for the spot between all three players, and that would mean that we have the left back position in which we always have wing back issues. Can definitely fight it out for that position and let the best person win. And we have seen in recent time Lembi Kisa being utilized in both games over a long duration. Let's look at the amount of minutes that he have played in both games. I think he played 2 full 90 minutes actually. 2 full 90 minutes he played actually. One right back, left back, right back. Yes, one at right back and one a bit of left back in it. No, but definitely it shows that he has the quality and we're looking for. So me, I'm personally, I'm excited to see Greg Leigh high, very highly rated in my perspective, player. Powerful, pushing forward, not the most attacking minded player, but defensively he is a good outlet. And we all know that most modern footballers, they're more of the attacking outlet as they categorize themselves as wing back. But I am highly excited to see this one come true. So big up Greg Leigh. Hope to see you guys see you in the squad. Massive respect. I heard that the squad is supposed to be released tomorrow. So definitely we will see. We will most definitely see, and we are expecting to see something and maybe some new names if possible. Anyways, massive respect, people, and hopefully you guys are doing good. Take care and enjoy the rest of the day. Look out for the Premier League review show and preview show later this evening. Big up, people. MG Sports TV, and we are out. Boom.